In today's video I'll show you how to change your profile icon on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, select your profile icon in the top left corner, and then on the user settings page, select Edit Icon, which should be at the top. You can now select the character you want to use and then the color below this. Then add or remove the shadow with the Y button. Once you're happy, choose OK and it should update. To change the icon for another user, you could open the System Settings app and scroll down to the User section. Then select the user here, and the method is now the same as before to change the icon. That's how to change your profile icon on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.